Hello everybody, it's just a quick video on how I do my small Tesla coils, or these are RF chokes in my case this time, but they would make nice little Tesla coils. I've used 0.40mm copper enameled magnet wire, red in this case. I normally use the copper coloured one, but I got red this time. That's the primary coil, the big one there, that is going to be used with these, but that's in copper. These are in red. So I have these numbered, number 1 and number 2. That's the one that I built yesterday morning, and gave it a single coat of polyurethane. You can see where it's soaked in between the layers in places. Don't worry about that. When you come back with the second, third and fourth coat, this one's even worse, where it's soaked in. It's just gone behind the wire to hold the wire down, and I could have gone on heavier with the polyurethane varnish, but then it would take forever to dry, so I've started doing it in a lot thinner coats, and I've gone back to using this varnish because I tried the Johnston's equivalent, but all I could find was yacht varnish, and this is what happened to those. As you can see, I left it 24 hours before giving it a second coat. That was 24 hours, and it's gone really wrong. The second one that I made, not so bad, but it's creased there, it's creased here, it's creased there. So this is the moral of this story is stick with what you know, and this is the best stuff that I've found so far for doing these. I've always had great results. This is my secondary that I've just made. This one was one of the first Tesla coils that I made with a little figure on. That's my son's. And I didn't use polyurethane, I used car lacquer on that one. It didn't come out very well. And then you've got the Obit powered Tesla coil, turned out brilliantly. And then the final one is the dual ZVS board that I've made RF chokes for. They came out good, and that was all using the Dulux, so I've gone back to the Dulux. I can use that when it's dried completely, but you can still leave fingerprints in it, and that's been on there for 8 days now, I think. No, for 5 days, sorry, not 8. And it's just still creased. So I've gone back to this. Once this is dry, this will get its second coat, and you won't see any of these lines at all once they have its second coat. It's the same setup as usual. I've got my old 12-volt drill motor connected to my DC power supply via a foot pedal on the floor that the MOT is pressing on at the moment. So when I turn this on, the whole thing rotates. and I'll be able to paint one, let one dry, paint one and let one dry. And it's coil one's turn to be painted first. So I'll paint that one now, and then I'll paint that one probably this evening.